Okay, do now. Go ahead.
You bought a magazine for $5 and 4 erasers. You spent a total of $25. How much did each eraser cost?
Pretty good. So now, based on what we have learned in class, the first thing we need to do is underline our keywords. Okay? First keyword that we have is a magazine for $5. Second keyword, 4 erasers. Third keyword, spend a total of $25. So I'm going to show you something that you already have learned. I'm going to show you the first one here. Some of your classmates' work. This is pretty good. A total of $25. The magazine for $5. Erasers, there were 4. But what was the question asking? Can you please read the question again?
How much did each eraser cost?
Eraser, how much did each eraser cost? $4. Is that right? From there on, we learn how to solve equations. That's your equation. And if we still have a problem with that, we go back into the previous video. From there, look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to show you now a new method. I'm going to use this one now. Okay, let me show you a new method that I could actually, I'm going to be very specific on the following. Look, let me go back to actually this one here. I want to use this one. Okay? I'm going back to that one. Hold this there. This is our equation. He wrote as 5 plus 4x equals 25. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to write the same equation, but I'm going to write it in a different way. Okay? This is what I would do. Let me go back into this and use the whiteboard. Can you please give me the new equation again, please? Tell me the equation again. Go ahead. What was the equation?
5 plus
Okay.
4x equals 25.
Can we write it like that too? Okay. So now, we already learned how to do the other one, the diagram. When we read a word problem, we do the diagram. In this case, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to show 4x as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of them counting as one of my x, 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 and x. Is that right? That's going to give me a total of 4x. Now look what I'm going to do here. Plus my 5, I have this as my 5. For those who still are having problems solving equations, my total is equals to, according to this, all this is going to be equals to 25. So what I'm going to do is the following. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to get now this 4x I have here. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to get this 5. But this time, I'm going to write my 5 on top. Right here. So from 5, in order to get to this 25, how many do I need? From 5 to get to my 25, how many do I need?
We need 4.
We need 4. From 5 to get to 25, we need 4.
You need, 4. No.
Okay, I'm seeing that you are here, you're saying 4 because you have 1, 2, 3, 4. But from 5 to get to my 25, how many more do I need?
We need 20.
Do we need 20?
Yeah.
Okay, so we say, Miss Vanna, 20 plus 5 is going to give me 25. Is that right? So now look what I'm doing. This here is representing my 5. This here is representing my 20. My 20 plus my 5 will give me 25. Is that right? So now this is the question now. Now I know where you guys are coming from. So now this 20 is going to, how many x's do you have there according to this? How many variables do you have there?
4.
Okay. So my 20 into how many do you think I'm going to divide it? I'm going to divide my 20 by 4, which is going to give me equals to 5. So I'm going to have here, each of my x is going to count as
5.
Okay, each of my x is going to count as 5. And that's going to give you a total of
20.
20 plus 5, which is going to be equals to
25.
Now listen to this here, listen to this here. So now, can you please read the question again out loud?
How much did each eraser cost?
How much did each eraser cost according to this?
Each eraser costs $5.
$5 for each of them. Now, what about if you buy 3 erasers? How much would 3 erasers cost?
15.
What about if you bought 4 erasers? How much 4 erasers cost?
20.
Okay, so now, are we understanding this diagram? This is another way of showing your work.
Yes.
This is another way of showing your work. Here you're showing your work. Okay, and we're going to go more into this.